I want you to think back to the last time you gave a beautiful flower to a loved one. Think back to the variety of colors, smells, and shapes that every different flower gives. And all of these different traits are all from how the plant regulates and controls their own genes. And researchers looking at a purple petunia flower noticed something strange when they were studying the flower's genetics. And by studying that flower, led to a giant breakthrough in the entire field of biology. So, what happened? They were looking at a purple petunia plant, and they knew that one gene led to the creation of an enzyme that created the purple trait. So they thought if they wanted to create a darker, richer purple in a petunia flower, they would add extra copies of the gene that they knew to create the purple trait. So they added in extra copies, but something unexpected happened. Instead of getting a darker purple, they noticed that the purple flower had white lines in them. This confounded the researchers. When they looked into the plant, they realized that yes, there was extra copies. The experiment worked. But in the areas where the white stripes form, there was no longer an enzyme being produced. And they found out that the extra copies of the genes that were put in silenced the production of the enzyme to create the trait. And this was the first time that the process of gene silencing was described. We now know that gene silencing takes place in nearly every living organism, from microbes to plants to animals, and even you and I. Researchers from all of those fields have now shown that gene silencing is a fundamental process that takes place in nearly every living organism to keep them happy and healthy. This allows the traits to be produced properly at the right time. And we now know that when the process of gene silencing is disrupted, it can lead to some forms of human cancer. Researchers do not know where the next big discovery will come from. Serendipitous discoveries from research can lead to unexpected discoveries that have implications far outside of just the little plant. And wherever the next big discovery will come from, I'm pretty sure it will happen when some researcher goes, that's weird.